Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Ju Travel. For today's video, I'm doing another reaction. This time I'm going to react another video from the First Take featuring SB19 with the song entitled Ginto. So I'm really excited. I'm really happy for this one, guys, because this will be the first time that the First Take feature an artist from Philippines. So I'm really proud of this one. So before I proceed to my reaction, if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like buttons, click the notification bell in case I have a new video uploaded so that you'll be notified. So without any delay, let's proceed to this reaction. Nakaka-proud, guys. So I'm really happy for this one. So they just dropped this video few days ago, so I'm really excited. So let's check this performance of SB19. The First Take. Wow, proud Pinoy. Hopefully, guys, they will feature another artist from the Philippines also, so maybe this is the start that they will feature an artist from Philippines. Wow, they look so good. Justin, he dyed his hair into black. Ooh. Introduction. Tingnan mo yung outfit nila, guys. Josh. Philip. Ken. Pablo. Grabe itong vocals nila, guys, ha. Ang cute ng boses ni Josh, inaiba-iba. Still. Vocals. Cute ni Justin. Wow. Ken, boses. Grabe. Wow. Proud. Galing na boses nila, ah. Live na live talaga sa kumanta, oh. Wow. Grabe. Damang-dama mo talaga yung kanta nila, guys, ha? Wow, guys, nakaka-proud kasi nga ang galing ng performance nila vocally. Wow, ang sarap pakinggan. Ito yung gusto ko sa SB19, guys, kasi yung boses nila stable na stable, solid na solid. Yung ano talaga, yung parang hindi ka talaga kakabahan lalo na pag live na magkasintonado, because ang boses talaga nila solid na solid, parang stable na stable, parang ano talaga sila, guys, yung veteranong na sila when it comes to singing, kasi nga makikita mo talaga yung maririnig mo talaga yung sa boss nila. Gusto ko rin dito, guys, yung performance nila, kasi parang nag-i-enjoy sila, yung kita mo talaga yung mga facial expression nila, pati yung emotion na inilagay nila sa kanta, madamang-dama mo talaga. So nakaka-proud kasi first time ito sa First Take na they feature an artist from the Philippines. So I'm really proud of this one. So support natin, guys, yung sariling atin. Sana ma-feature din yung ibang artist natin dito sa the First Take, because parang nakaka-proud. Gusto ko talaga tong boses ni Ken, oh. Paiba-iba ba? Grabe ang boses ni Ken. Wow. Iba-iba talaga yung timbre ng boses nila, guys, ha? They are really unique in kung ano nila, yung individually. Iba-iba yung boses nila eh. Pero pag kumanta sila na sabay-sabay, ang ganda pakinggan. Ooh! Ganda ng boses ni Steel. Pablo. The first take, first take. Pablo. Feel na feel ni Josh. Grabe yung performance nila. Boses. Ganda ng mga boses nila. Cute ni Justin. Wow, nakaka-proud. Woo! Wow. Nakaka-proud yung performance nila. Talagang solid na solid tong SB19. Boses pa lang. Grabe na. Siguro guys, may ano pa to, other performance sila dito sa The First Take. Kasi usually naman talaga yung mga artist na fini-feature sa The First Take, dalawang performance yan kadalasan sa artist na i-fini-feature nila dito. Because I've been watching First Take for such a long time. So parang dalawa to. So sana meron pa sang isang performance, baka yung Bazinga. Kasi nga, di ba Bazinga is a big hit from SB19. So sana. Wow, nakaka-proud. So there you go guys, my reaction to the performance of SB19 with the song entitled Ginto on The First Take. So I hope you like and enjoy this video. If you have any suggestion or any recommendation for me to react, don't hesitate to leave a comment below. Until next time, bye for now. Proud.